Up first this evening, 5 high-powered weapons and explosives were found while over 70 persons have been detained following a joint police-military operation in sections of the corporate area today.
The security forces conducted the operations following an increase in gang-related activities in Augustown, St. Andrew and Tivoli Gardens in Kingston.
They are now urging residents to join forces to eradicate the criminal elements in the country. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has that primetime news report.
So around 5 o'clock today, police personnel attached to the Denham Town Police Station and others working under the state of public emergency carried out a major operation in Tivoli Gardens. 4 high-powered weapons were seized, several rounds of ammunition and 11 explosives. It's said to be a major dent in the criminal elements in Denham Town.
It's the first that we are seeing these. We don't know exactly how they are used or the capability of those explosive devices. Yeah. We have 3 persons taken in for further investigations. Investigation will determine whether charges are laid. Based on the feedback from the police officers that went on the operation, there possibly were more firearms, but based on the amount of persons and the movement that they saw, they left the area.
There was also a major operation in Augustown, St. Andrew. Over 66 persons were detained, 32 search warrants issued, and 1 firearm seized.
We are sure that at least one is wanted for murder. We know that we can confirm that 9 were persons of interest that we think can assist us to further our investigation in relation to the other elements of crime. And the others, I'm sure, will contribute to the intention that we have, which is to reestablish the rule of law in its entirety.
I understand some weapons were seized too. Can you speak to me about that? How many?
We can confirm at this point where we seized some M16 rounds and some AK-47 rounds. And I can confirm that at least 1 9mm pistol and 72 other rounds were seized in a secondary operation.
Any appeal or advice for the residents of Augustown?
I want to appeal to the residents to help us to wrest back the community from those who are bent on causing problem or stirring conflict, and to reassure them that the security forces are on their side and that all we need is their assistance, their enlist help